Hello, welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for English beginners from levels A1 to A2. Today, I want to talk about my goals. I have many goals. I have lots of goals for my future. I have short-term goals and long-term goals. This year, I would like to get my Dive Master's certificate. My certificate in scuba diving. I love scuba diving. Mexico is one of the best places to do it. I want to travel and see all the most beautiful places, the most beautiful corals, and the most beautiful marine species, animal species. I want to help protect the oceans. I want to help protect the precious corals and precious animals in the ocean. When I get my diving certificate, I want to visit Thailand. I would like to visit Egypt, Australia, and Indonesia. What is a goal that you are working on? Another goal of mine is that I want to dance all around the world. I love dancing. Dancing brings me so much joy. When I dance, all my worries go away. I want to take dance classes and learn different dance styles. Do you want to take dance lessons? I want to take dance lessons in Brazil, Colombia, India, or Japan. Do you like dancing? Do you prefer watching people dance or dancing? What type of dance is your favorite? In my opinion, the happiest cultures are the ones with rich dance culture, where people are dancing, people are smiling, where people are dancing, people are connecting. Dancing is good for the soul. Dancing is good for the heart. What is something that makes you feel so good? Why does it make you feel so good? The last goal of mine is to speak Chinese. I want to speak Chinese fluently. I want to travel to China, to Taiwan, and speak Chinese. What is a language you want to learn? Where do you want to go to speak that language? Thank you for listening to my Slow English podcast. Remember to subscribe, to like, and follow. See you next time.